Let's explore AerynOS running with the GNOME desktop and focus on the parts of the system that actually matter during daily use. When the desktop appears, the environment feels clean and modern. GNOME keeps the interface minimal so the focus stays on your work instead of the operating system itself. You have the top panel for system controls, the Activities overview for launching applications, and dynamic workspaces that make multitasking very smooth. But one of the most interesting parts of AerynOS is not just the desktop. It's the package management system called MOS. MOS is the main tool used in AerynOS to manage software. Instead of using traditional package managers like apt or DNF, this system uses MOS to install, update, and maintain applications. The idea behind MOS is to make package management faster, simpler, and more predictable. One very common task is searching for software. If you want to look for an application inside the repositories, you can simply use the MOS search command followed by the name of the package. The system quickly scans the repositories and shows matching packages along with their descriptions. This is extremely useful when you are not sure about the exact package name. You can discover tools and applications directly from the terminal. Now let's install something practical. For example, you might want to install a development tool, a media program, or a command line utility. With MOS, installing software is very straightforward. You simply run the install command followed by the package name. The system resolves dependencies automatically, downloads the necessary packages, and installs them in seconds. Because the repositories are designed to be modern and up-to-date, you often get newer versions of software compared to more conservative Linux distributions. Another important task is updating the system. With MOS, updating your system becomes a single command. When you run the update command, the system refreshes the repositories and upgrades installed software to the latest available versions. This includes system libraries, applications, and desktop components. The process is designed to be reliable and consistent, which helps reduce problems that sometimes happen with complex dependency chains in older package systems. MOS also provides a very useful feature when it comes to removing software. If you uninstall an application, MOS can automatically clean up unused dependencies. This helps keep the system tidy and prevents unnecessary packages from accumulating over time. Beyond MOS, AerynOS also includes a strong set of default applications that fit well into the GNOME workflow. The File Manager allows you to browse files, connect external drives, and manage folders easily. The Media Player handles video playback smoothly, and the Document Viewer makes it simple to read PDFs and other files. GNOME's search feature is also very powerful. When you open the Activities overview and start typing, the system immediately searches installed applications, settings, and files. This makes launching programs or opening documents extremely fast. Performance across the desktop feels smooth and responsive. Window animations are fluid, applications open quickly, and workspace switching happens instantly. This gives the entire system a polished and modern feel during normal use. So what makes AerynOS interesting is the combination of a clean GNOME desktop with a modern infrastructure behind the scenes. MOS provides a fresh approach to package management, while the desktop stays simple and focused on productivity. The result is a Linux environment that feels modern, efficient, and surprisingly smooth to use. And that's a closer look at AerynOS with the GNOME desktop and the MOS package manager. A clean interface on the surface and a modern software system underneath that keeps everything running fast and organized.